Welcome to the inside of the course. So I just want to explain really quickly how to make best use out of the course and how it's all kind of structured. So as I said in the introduction video, every single lesson that I'm going to be teaching you has a play along feature. So in the lesson after the one where I do the explanation, you're always going to have the possibility and invitation to play along with me. Also, most of the lessons come with a downloadable PDF, so you can download that, or within each video the chord progression is embedded, so that you'll have a really easy time following along. Of course, I've included my picture chord book as a free bonus. If you don't have that yet, you can also download that right now within this introduction video. Alright, so that's about it as far as the introduction and what to expect from the course. If you like the course, of course, I'd really appreciate it if you would give me a positive review, an honest review. Let me know what you think. And also, I'm always here to answer your questions. So if you ever have any question, feel free to contact me within the contact section of the lessons, and I will get back to you and answer your question as soon as possible. Alright, so that's about it. Let's start learning the blues, and I'll see you in the first lesson. See you there. Alright, bye-bye.